So this is a bit of a random video and all of them are, but so when we first moved into this house, I used to let the dogs up into my room, and then we stopped for a while, stopped for quite a few months, and we put a gate here and everything, but I just let them up now. Marley didn't really like it, but Max is just kind of trying to stay up there as long as he can. Look at him. Max! 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 That old-fashioned carpet. Max! What are you doing? Get down! Come on! Come on! Come on! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get down! Get down! Is that so? Get down! Yes! Yes! Get down! Get down! No, get down! What are you doing? Ah! Ah! Gotcha! Gotcha! Now you gotta get down! Now you gotta get down! I've got a voice in you, haven't you? Hello. Do you like it upstairs? You do? Yeah. Whoa. Max? Do you like it upstairs? Yeah? You like it upstairs? Yeah? Okay. Oh, right. That's interesting. I got you. I got you. Yeah. Do you like it upstairs? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, okay. Being quiet now, yeah? Alright, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let it go, let it go, to the back of the door. Oh, thank you, Max. So, this is probably an extreme close-up of me right now. I can't tell. I'm ill. It's December, wintertime. I get ill. I get ill all the time. No, I really don't. I'm sorry. I didn't know what I was saying. I'll shut up now. Thanks for watching this pointless video, but I wanted to show you Max and how silly he is. Say goodbye, Max! Bye.